Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Find and unlatch the graphics card to remove it from the system. Lift the Dell Ultra Speed Drive Gen 3 out of the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Reinsert the Dell Ultra Speed Drive Gen 3 and relatch the graphics card to the system. Relatch the base cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.